This is the famous square, Shibuya Square.
So welcome to Tokyo, this amazing karting ride. Let's enjoy it together and I'll see you throughout the video. Bye bye.
So welcome to Shibuya karting here. So we just started and it's pretty loud here, but it's very nice. You can actually go pretty fast. You can go around 60 to 70 kilometers an hour. I just had a little bit of a encounter with a car, so the cars don't really care about you going with a kart, so you have to be a bit safe. And now we are waiting on some other let's say other people of the group, so let's go.
So I will talk a bit throughout the video because there is a lot of noise from the kart itself and I wanted to use my microphone, but unfortunately the battery was down, so luckily some of the audio was still saved or usable, so hence I will speak a bit. But here you will see the start of our ride. We are going a bit outside of the city and we're going to the famous Shibuya Square, and that's where obviously we will have the amazing view of the LED screen. So let's go.
Nice. It's a bit loud, but I'll try to keep it not too loud. Enjoy! Woo! We do have to stay in formation to make sure everyone is following. So we are going now to Shibuya, the main square where everyone walks over at the same time, and the whole trip will take around 45 minutes. So let's see how it goes. You can also do a 1 hour trip where you will have also Tokyo Tower, which you will pass, like the Eiffel Tower of Tokyo. So let's have a look. It is very busy still. It's a Sunday and it's a bit cold. You, bro? There.
So here I try to use a sped up version of the ride we did. So I don't know if it will fully come out pretty nice or if it's a bit choppy, because that's the preview I see. But anyway, we are going in a bit through the main square where we will have this amazing view where all the people will cross the crossing. So that's a famous point and one of the main, if not the main point we did. So this was only a 1 hour ride and this was the main viewing point. And as I said, there's longer rides, but I chose to do this shorter version. So let's go.
So we take some time for picture. We just went through Shibuya Square and yeah, it's very nice. It's very busy. There's a lot of pictures taken, which is nice. Now I think we will continue with the ride, so let's go. Let's conquer the streets of Tokyo and let's see how it is.
So this will be the end of me talking. So now you will be able to enjoy this whole ride, look at the city without me talking, enjoy the engine sound. So let's go.
we're almost done here. So now we take a little turn. We go backwards. We have to let the passengers go first, the pedestrians. Then we go. And I think this is a small bridge, but it's been very fun until now. And it goes pretty fast. Let's go.
So this is the end of the video, and one thing I didn't mention before, but if you want to do this yourself in Tokyo in Japan, you need a international driver license, but a formatted Geneva 1969 version, I think. So not all European countries have this type of international driver license. So you need to reformat it to the right version, or you need to translate it to Japanese, which you can only do on location. So I would definitely prepare this in advance and make sure you have the right one. Otherwise you are wasting quite some time going to this location. But beside that, I think for the price you pay, it's a very good deal and truly an amazing experience, because I was actually asking, and I don't think there's many places in the world where you can just drive legally with go-kart just like this on the street. So it's a very funny experience. Beside that, I hope you liked the video, and have a look at my other videos, of course, and I see you in the next one. Also, don't forget to like if you really enjoyed it, and if you want more 360 videos, do let me know. I see you. Bye bye.